MercsAirsoft is proudly sponsored by Airsoft Extreme, eHobbyAsia, GoPro Camera, CQB City, Alakdan Airsoft, and Airsoft Battlegrounds.
Say hi.
What's up?
I'm gonna play against these guys. We're gonna check it out.
Jericho Airsoft.
Tell me. Take it, 12 o'clock! Receiving fire! Receiving fire! Good day, 12 o'clock! Two down! Hit! You got me. You want to? Oh, I left my camera out there. It's an epic roll. What's up? Guys up! Dude! I slipped already.
3 down. Look straight in the hallway. You got a clear shot of the boxes.
Okay.
Watch your step.
$12 o'clock, 12 o'clock. I can't see him, but he's there. Get low, get low.
See him?
Yeah, I took him out.
Keep your head low. Watch your right side.
Cover this, I can't see it.
Go. Right, go. Moving!
Hey, big!
Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to shoot. That
Cool,
was off
cool.
here.
Two down, two down! baby!
Next time he goes back, cover me.
Can you send back?
I'm gonna run out there and cover me.
Okay. Oh. Sorry. Said too late.
I was gonna go knife the guy. Let's move down that side.
Alright.
Cover, I'll run and then I'll cover back.
Okay. Stay there. Post up. Tank? Bang, bang! Bang, bang! They knew I was there. Got it?
They had 9 seconds.
Oh, somebody set it?
I'm hit. You're down to 9 seconds and you reset it.
Say hi! Hi! Woo! How do I turn this off? No, you hit the box! That's my butt, you got me. Let me just put this back. You guys can have it. Watch me. Woo-hoo! Oh, it's still clear. Okay. You got one right there, right there.
Off the right. Woo! 12 o'clock.
Punch it! Oops. Broke that.
Watch the left.
He's right in there. He's right in there. Check check 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, Tank.
10 o'clock?
10 o'clock. Right in there. You see him? Where you going? Close that door. He didn't hit me, by the way.
Did that grenade go off?
No.
Can I kill him?
We already parlayed. Sorry. Next time. Now it went off.
Alright.
Now it went off.
Damn!
Parlay, bro. Okay, go. Hey, bang. Hey, bang.
Thank you for watching this MercsAirsoft video. If you'd enjoyed this production, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter.
You saved him!
Dude, so many, dude. Good job.
I don't know if it was you or you, but I was. You saved like half of them.
Mercs.